Amazon reviews are no longer ranking in the most helpful upvoted order. Big news out of Amazon. This will affect everybody. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. Let me dive in and explain what this means. So here are some reviews, and to get to that section, go to any product and just simply click on the ratings button. Down here, you'll see that I've got July 29th, July 16th, July 9th, and they're ordering things primarily in the most recent. Even though this is on top reviews right here, it's no longer just putting that one that got 50 upvotes. This is forcing a lot of the Black Hat review upvoter spam bots to now go over to Walmart, and they're exiting the Amazon platform because you can no longer get one single review stuck to the top of a product page. Now, the Chinese, using many of their Black Hat tactics, would also do this in a negative way, would chase your own product from a competitor and stick a negative review with lots of helpful upvotes so that it would stick up here. Amazon's onto the system. They realize, you know what, that's actually not in the best interest of consumers, and now they are putting recency as the most important factor. So here you can see I've got lots of recent reviews at the top of my listing here, even though I've selected top reviews. We also know that removing a negative product review on Amazon is extraordinarily difficult, especially even if they violate the terms and conditions of Amazon reviews. I have several one-star reviews on this listing. Some of them may not even be from real customers, talking about a completely different product, and Amazon will not remove them. Having said that, there is a way to review and remove negative reviews, and I'm going to walk you through that. Inside of Seller Central, you're going to click Help on top right, and then you're going to go to the section for product reviews under Products and Inventory. Here it's going to give you a contact reason and describe your issue. The key to this is to link to the product review. To do that, let's go back to one of these reviews. You simply click on it, such as this one where it says not worth the money. This URL right up there, you would put straight into the ticket, as well as copying and pasting that entire review. You'll put that into the ticket when you file it. And then here are some of the pre-written responses we've written that have had the most success in getting a negative review removed. Now, having said this, it's about 3% of a success chance, so it's hardly worth your time. This is very much a virtual assistant task you're going to want to delegate. But having said that, there are different review types like about seller, about shipment, about packaging, competitor, wrong product, wrong ingredients, pricing, contains profanity, it's got hostile, or it's an unverified review. All of these are merited reasons to get a review removed, and you're going to quote Amazon's policies against themselves to try and give that review the best chance it can have at getting removed. Let's go ahead and file that together. So in the top right is Seller Central. Click on Help, Get Support, Selling on Amazon, Browse Issue, and then we're looking for products, and then finally reviews right there. So in here, we're going to copy and paste this review where it says not worth the money. And here, thought the sticks would be bigger, wasted my money, not what I expected, as these are mini smudging sticks, what a waste. Now this particular review, probably a bad candidate for removing, but let's go through the motions. I think it'll stick. I don't think there's anything I can do about it. This review about sticks is going to stick. So what we're going to do here is we're going to write in here at the top of this, please remove this review. It violates Amazon's terms and conditions about Amazon review guidelines about being helpful. This does not help anybody learn more about this product. So something like that could work. We have some pre-written ones over here. So if we look down this list, wrong product. The following review is about a different product, and then we'll post that in there as well. And from our experience, we found that less is more on most tickets. You're just looking for a baseline, 2 sentences about the product issue or the review issue, and then come down here and hit the submit button. So that's my explanation with some of the news that's coming out. No longer have to worry about that 1-star review with 700 upvotes sticking on your listing for 2 years. That's a thing of the past. And thank heavens, because those things were pretty annoying. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you got a question about anything related to Amazon, ask me anything. Every Friday, noon Eastern Standard Time, we have a podcast where you can come ask me, Stephen Pope, any Amazon question. We'll be sure to help you out. We'll see you guys later.